it's Chef Hank here, and this is episode 2. And we are here with my mother, Chef Mommy Smashes. Yeah.
Yeah, Chef Mommy Smashes.
And so today we're going to be making pumpkin pie, and I think you could tell it because of the little pie crust here. So the first thing you want to do, are we supposed to crack the eggs first? So you have to.
I think the counter will work better for cracking. There you go. That's
So
enough.
you gotta get a perfect crack on the egg, and make sure not to let any of the shell go inside. After that, it's just hang on. Can you pull back my sleeves, please? Thanks.
Mommy Smashes, sous chef. That's probably good. Yeah, that's good.
Oh jeez, I'm gonna mess up here. Come on, get out there. There you go. Now we have 2 eggs mixed together, and I need to dry my hands. All right, I'll do the mixing. You gotta get that yolk big and yellow. And once the mixing is done, just get the rest of that yolk off. It's okay if it's still on there. And next, you just gotta scoop up this mashed pumpkin and just plop it inside. Whoa, it came in flat. Hang on, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. Just had to wash my hands, okay? And you probably saw the mistake that I did. It was on shower mode. Oh, wow. The pumpkin kind of smells good, yet a little bit bad, huh? Got some cinnamon here. Some salt. I don't know why. Yeah, but the preheat is done. Yeah, you gotta preheat before you do this at 425 degrees. And does this come first? And
What is that?
it's cinnamon.
And
Sure?
nutmeg and cloves and ginger.
Ooh. Okay.
That's enough of that.
Oh. So now you just gotta add this much
Half
of
a
salt.
teaspoon of salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure not to get the salt behind your nails. That would be painful. Alright, so am I supposed to pour this in? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's coming out slow. It's stacking up like bits, like square tiles of cheese. It was doing that. Oh my gosh, it's still doing it. Yeah, get it out of here. Even the rim parts. Get out the rim. Get out the rim. I like to appear in these shows. You know, I think Chef Hank's kind of a bad name. How about what's cooking with Hank Smashes?
Whatever you want to do, babe.
And Mommy.
Mommy Smashes.
The real stuff. Oh. Ooh. Oh, wow. Well, that looks mighty delicious. Pumpkin paste. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Big mistake, though.
Whoa.
Oh.
Full.
Oh, yeah, it sure is full.
Very full.
Alright, so make sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot, as you might be thinking. Make sure not to spill it if it almost overflows. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's hot in there. Actually, it kind of feels warm.
How long do we cook it?
Oh,
We cook it at 425 for 15 minutes and then reduce temperature to 350 and bake for 40 to 50 minutes.
Ah.
425 for 15 minutes. Then you reduce the heat to 350 and cook it for 40 to 50 minutes.
Oh, okay. If you heard my mother there, that's one of the steps. So that's how you make pumpkin pie. So,
We'll
bye.
make another video later saying how good the pie is.
I hope you liked this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I've only got I did hit 92. I've got 8 more subscribers until I get my 100 subscriber special. And I've been around for 2 years, finally. 2 years. Thanks, YouTube, for making me be around for 2 years. And bye, viewers!